So you're headed out to buy a new TV. That's great. But do you know how it's going to work in your room when you get it home? Let's talk. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Lots of online resources give you advice on what kind of TV to buy. But how much you like it actually depends a lot on how you put your room together for your TV. Here are some basic considerations. First, let's talk about viewing angles and the size of your room. From the point of view of the television, 60 degrees is about the widest angle you want to space your furniture apart. So at about 8 feet away from the television, the widest furniture placement would be about 9 feet. Placing furniture outside of that viewing angle is okay as long as you're not planning to ask guests to watch TV from those seats.
No, I'm fine to sit here to watch the Super Bowl.
Ideally, you want the center of your TV to be at your viewing height. For a seated adult, that's about 42 inches above the floor. Looking up slightly, maybe up to about 7 degrees, generally isn't a problem. For a 12-foot room, that's mounting the TV center about 60 inches off the floor. Now, let's talk furniture. In my opinion, it's always nice to have a cabinet where you can conceal your television. When the cabinet is closed, TV time is over and you can use the room for something else. But you don't have to hide your television in order to avoid a TV worship room. Adding a short chest under the TV and flanking it on either side with bookcases will decrease the visual dominance of the television in the room. When considering furniture to place under your TV, make sure it's wider than the TV. I've mentioned before that a narrow piece of furniture under your TV can create a top-heavy look. Even if your TV is mounted on the wall, you use a piece of furniture wider than your TV to help it feel grounded. TV cords, especially for wall-mounted TVs, can become a decor nightmare. Not only are they an eyesore, but we, living in our space, can grow accustomed to them. A first-time visitor who's not accustomed to our space can easily be distracted by the TV cords and ignore the rest of our great decor.
Your mom has cancer? That's nice.
Ideally, you would conceal the cords entirely by running them in the wall. But that may be impossible. If you set your TV on a short chest, you can tuck the wires behind it. Or you can drill holes in the furniture and further conceal the wires inside. Consider ways you might camouflage your wiring and blend it into your wall. You might wrap it in fabric if you're talented that direction. But always run your cords straight down. If you swag them across the wall, you'll only draw attention to them. But consider also that you might only need some kind of screen that can slide up behind the TV, still leaving enough room between the screen and the wall for the cords to run behind. A simple, flat wood screen might make a sleek addition to your room and gives you a place for all the cord work. So what do you do if you have a TV and a fireplace in the same room? That can be a tricky situation. I've got a video that'll walk you through some of the options right over here. You should watch. It's short. I'll see you there.